So at this point, we are all done with FCT Oslo, so we'll save it and close it. And we're going to open up FCT Rail Travel. Now this is also in the Word S2 folder. So you should be looking under Word S2. And here it is. So we're going to go ahead and open up that one. And again, they do want us to save it under a different name. So I'm going to enable the editing, go to File and Save As. And then I'm just going to put a 2 and a dash in front of the name. Make sure it's going into the Word S2 folder and click on Save. So we're going to begin by creating some bulleted and numbered lists. So we're going to select 3 lines of text kind of below our first paragraph. And they would like us to use the numbering button on the home ribbon. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And that creates a numbered list. And basically what it does is it looks for where you press enter, and that's how it knows where to put numbers 1, 2, and 3. So each paragraph has a separate number. Now they would like us to add 1 to the list. So right after number 2, protect your pass, we're going to press enter. And we're going to key in arrive 20 minutes before train departure time. Okay, so we've added to our list. And we're going to scroll down a little bit. This little section here, these 4 lines, we're going to go ahead and highlight. And they would like us to have bullets for those. And so to start with, we're just going to click on bullets, and you'll see that it inserts the round bullet, which you're probably familiar with. And what they would like us to do is create a custom bullet. So we're going to click with those lines still highlighted. We're going to click on the arrow. And you'll notice that we have lots of different bullet styles. And they want us to actually define a new bullet. So we're going to click on that. And we're going to use a symbol for this. So we're going to go ahead and select symbol. And that is going to open up this symbol dialog box. And these symbols come with the various fonts that are on your computer system. And so we want specific fonts. We actually want fonts that begin with a W. So if you actually get rid of the font that's there and you start keying in what you want, it's actually a really quick way of finding them. But we want the WebDing fonts, and I can see them right here. Now your fonts on your system may be completely different than mine, but WebDings should be there. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And they would like us to pick the Earth symbol. And the trick with these fonts sometimes is actually finding the one they want us to use. It's not always as easy as you might think, although I am seeing it right here, so I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to click OK. And that will bring that symbol forward. So I'm going to click OK again. And now I have the Earth as my bullets. And they want me to select this little heading here, rail passes. And actually, not just this heading, they want this whole entire section. And what they want for this is a multi-level list. So I'm going to click on the multi-level list. And to start with, they would like this particular list. So we'll go ahead and choose. It's kind of like numbers and letters. And then they want us to go in and change it. So we'll go ahead and click on that again. And what they want us to end up with is this first one in the second row. Okay, and that gives us a multi-level list with bullets instead of numbers and letters. And then we're going to kind of click away and save our changes.